Your first car is supposed to mean freedom, late night drives, road trips with friends, no more begging for rides. But for many new drivers, the first car becomes their first financial disaster. Because what most beginners don't realize is this: the wrong car doesn't just cost more upfront, it costs more to insure, more to repair, and sometimes it costs something far worse: safety. Here's a statistic that should make every new driver pause. Drivers in their first few years on the road are significantly more likely to be involved in accidents than experienced motorists. That means your first vehicle shouldn't just be affordable, it should protect you when it matters most. Yet many people make the same dangerous mistake. They shop with their emotions. They chase horsepower, aggressive styling, sport badges. Instead of asking the question that actually matters: will this car keep me safe and out of financial stress? Tonight, we're counting down the 10 best first cars for new drivers, chosen based on 4 critical pillars: crash safety, insurance affordability, reliability, and driver-friendly design. Stay with me, because the #1 car on this list isn't just safe, it might be the smartest automotive decision a beginner could ever make. Let's begin. What makes a car perfect for beginners? Before the countdown, understand this: the best first car is not the fastest, not the flashiest, not the one your friends envy. It is the one that quietly protects your future. Here's what separates a smart first car from a risky one. 1. Forgiving handling. New drivers make mistakes. A stable vehicle helps correct them. 2. Strong crash protection. Modern safety engineering saves lives. Never compromise here. 3. Reasonable insurance costs. High premiums can drain your budget faster than fuel. 4. Predictable reliability. Breakdowns destroy confidence, especially for beginners. 5. Good visibility. Seeing danger early is half the battle. Now, let's start the countdown with a car that has saved countless young drivers from expensive lessons. Number 10. Hyundai Elantra, the quiet overachiever. The Hyundai Elantra doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly why it works. It's calm, predictable, easy to control. For a beginner, those traits are priceless. Why it's ideal: smooth steering response, excellent fuel economy, modern driver assist features, comfortable ride. Many models include automatic emergency braking and lane keeping technology, acting like a silent co-pilot when your attention slips. Insurance advantage. Because the Elantra isn't seen as a high-risk vehicle, premiums tend to stay manageable compared to sportier alternatives. Remember, insurance companies don't care how cool your car looks. They care how likely you are to crash it. The Elantra keeps that risk low. But if you want something with an even stronger reputation for longevity, the next car is legendary. Number 9. Toyota Corolla, the definition of stress-free driving. If reliability had a mascot, it would probably look like a Corolla. For decades, this car has built its identity on one promise: it just works. No drama, no surprises. Exactly what new drivers need. Beginner superpower: predictability. The controls feel naturally almost immediately. Nothing about the Corolla is intimidating, and that reduces driver anxiety, something rarely discussed but incredibly important. Confidence prevents mistakes. Safety strength. Recent models come packed with active safety systems designed to help prevent collisions before they happen. Think of it as having extra reflexes. Financial peace. Repair costs are typically modest. Insurance, usually friendly to young drivers. Owning a Corolla often feels like driving with a financial safety net. But what if you want something that's slightly more fun without becoming dangerous? Let's talk about it. Number 8. Mazda 3, where safety meets driving joy. Some beginner cars feel like appliances. The Mazda 3 does not. It injects just enough personality to keep driving enjoyable without crossing into reckless territory. Why new drivers love it: precise steering, excellent road grip, strong crash ratings, upscale interior feel. It teaches good driving habits because it responds accurately to your inputs. That connection builds skill faster. Hidden benefit: avoidance of accidents. Cars that handle well help drivers steer out of trouble, and avoidance is always better than protection. Insurance companies recognize this balance, sporty but not extreme, which helps keep premiums reasonable. Still, if maximum practicality is your priority, the next vehicle might surprise you. Number 7. Subaru Impreza, confidence in bad conditions. Rain, snow, loose gravel. These conditions terrify inexperienced drivers. The Subaru Impreza tackles them head-on with one major advantage: standard all-wheel drive. That added traction can mean the difference between a close call and a collision. Why parents love it: Many families actively seek out the Impreza because it feels secure in unpredictable weather. Security lowers stress. Lower stress improves decision-making. Built like a tank, Subaru has long emphasized occupant protection, and it shows. The structure is designed to absorb impacts while shielding passengers. For a first-time driver, that's invaluable. But maybe you want something a little higher off the ground without stepping into oversized SUV territory. Keep watching. Number 6. Honda HR-V, the perfect bridge between car and SUV. Some beginners feel safer sitting higher. The HR-V delivers that elevated view without the bulk that makes large SUVs difficult to maneuver. Visibility equals awareness. Seeing farther ahead gives drivers more time to react. More reaction time equals fewer accidents. It's simple physics. Surprisingly easy to drive. Despite its crossover shape, the HR-V behaves more like a compact car. Parking is manageable, turning is stress-free, urban driving feels natural. Insurance sweet spot. Not too sporty, not overly expensive. That balance keeps insurance from spiraling upward. But now, we're entering the top 5, and these cars combine safety engineering with reputations that border on legendary. Number 5. Kia Soul, the boxy genius that protects beginners. At first glance, the Kia Soul looks quirky, almost playful, but underneath that personality is serious safety thinking. The visibility champion. Its upright shape creates excellent outward visibility, reducing blind spots that often trap new drivers. Remember, you can't avoid what you can't see. Easy control, light steering, compact size, tight turning radius. Perfect for crowded parking lots and narrow streets. Financial bonus. The Soul is often cheaper to insure than many rivals because it isn't associated with aggressive driving behavior. Smart move. Yet some beginners want something with a more traditional design. That's where the next car shines. Number 4. Honda Civic, the gold standard for first cars. Ask almost any driving instructor which car they trust for beginners, the Civic often enters the conversation immediately. Why? Because it nails the fundamentals. Balance is everything. Not underpowered, not overly fast, not difficult to control, just right. Safety technology. Modern Civics include collision mitigation systems designed to step in when human reaction time isn't enough. That's huge for inexperienced drivers. The ownership experience. Few cars combine durability, efficiency, and strong resale value like the Civic, meaning even when it's time to upgrade, you're likely to recover a healthy portion of what you paid. But now, we step into a category many safety experts quietly recommend: hybrid reliability. Number 3. Toyota Prius, the unexpected safety hero. Forget the stereotypes. The Prius isn't about image, it's about intelligent design. Why it works so well for beginners. The power delivery is smooth and gradual, no sudden bursts that catch drivers off guard. Calm cars create calm drivers. Advanced safety systems. Many models feature adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking, technologies once reserved for luxury vehicles. Today, though, they're protecting first-time drivers. Insurance perks. Because Prius owners statistically drive conservatively, insurers often view the model as lower risk. Lower risk equals lower premiums. But if ultimate reliability is your top concern, the next car might be unbeatable. Number 2. Toyota Camry, the sedan that practically raises drivers. The Camry has guided generations through their earliest driving years, and for good reason. It feels stable at highway speeds, something beginners immediately appreciate. No wandering, no nervous corrections, just planted confidence. Built for real life, commutes, college runs, family errands, the Camry handles them effortlessly. Safety reputation. Crash protection has long been a priority here, reinforcing trust among safety-focused buyers. The financial angle. Maintenance costs are typically predictable, avoiding the surprise bills that devastate young budgets. Yet, one vehicle still edges ahead, because it doesn't just protect drivers, it actively helps prevent mistakes. Number 1. Subaru Forester, the ultimate first car guardian. If there were a vehicle engineered specifically to watch over new drivers, the Forester might be it. Everything about this SUV prioritizes awareness and stability. Elite visibility. Large windows provide one of the clearest outward views in the industry. Hazards become easier to spot. Early detection saves lives. Standard all-wheel drive. Traction equals control. Control equals safety, especially during sudden maneuvers. Driver assist technology. Features designed to monitor traffic movement and support driver attention add another protective layer. It's like having a second set of eyes. Why it takes the top spot. The Forester doesn't encourage reckless behavior, it encourages smart driving, and that philosophy makes it arguably the best partner a beginner could have on the road. The pattern smart buyers notice. Look back at this list and something becomes obvious. The best first cars are rarely the most exciting. They are the most forgiving. They help correct errors. They buy you time. They reduce consequences. And that is exactly what inexperienced drivers need. One dangerous trap to avoid. Let's talk about a mistake that destroys budgets every year. Buying too much car too soon. High horsepower vehicles often trigger higher insurance premiums because insurers associate them with greater accident risk. Translation? Your dream car could cost you thousands more annually before you even factor in fuel or maintenance. Patience pays. Start smart, upgrade later. A secret most experienced drivers know. Your first car is not your forever car. It is your training ground, a place to build awareness, sharpen reflexes, learn defensive driving, and develop confidence. Choosing safety now expands your options later. Choosing recklessness can shrink them instantly. Final thought. Freedom should never come with fear. That first solo drive, music playing, windows down, endless road ahead, it's a moment you never forget. But true freedom isn't about speed, it's about security, knowing your vehicle is working with you, not against you. So choose the car that protects your future, not just your image, because the smartest drivers understand something early. Arriving safely is always the real win. Quick recap. Best first cars for new drivers. Number 10, Hyundai Elantra. Number 9, Toyota Corolla. Number 8, Mazda 3. Number 7, Subaru Impreza. Number 6, Honda HR-V. Number 5, Kia Soul. Number 4, Honda Civic. Number 3, Toyota Prius. Number 2, Toyota Camry. And number 1, Subaru Forester.